Folks, you got a bunch of chickens and roosters in that section. I get fresh eggs every morning. Those are my nice fresh eggs. I eat about 3 every morning. It's supposed to be good for you. That's the automatic feeder, automatic waterer. And today I'm going to show you how to get the feathers off a rooster. And so anyways, these are the roosters over here. Got a whole bunch of them. So I'm gonna butcher one, and so after you butcher the rooster, you put it in hot water, boiling hot water, and dip it inside so the feathers can come out easily. These are the feathers. I plucked them off and they came out very easy. And now I'll show you how to burn off the excess fine hair on the skin. I'm from Fiji Islands. In our language we say it choso, which means burning the extra hair off the skin before you chop it up for cooking, stew, or whatever. So I got my torch here. That's the blue flame here, burning torch. And this is how you burn the excess hair off. Good size. Make sure you do the whole thing, all of it. Also, you can peel off the skin of the leg, the stew, and that's how it should look. All the excess hair is burnt off. And this is plucking noise. Don't overdo it. Shouldn't take more than 3 minutes. That's it, folks. Hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.